in a world where the sky is not the limit. One helicopter has defied all expectations. The Ikirai has conquered impossible heights, has worked where nothing else could, has provided crucial assistance in battling the blaze, has been a vital lifeline for people in need, has saved countless lives, has served and safeguarded communities from above, and has protected the values we hold most dear. Rewriting the rules of what is possible with 40 million hours, and with millions more to come.